Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the battery in a Samsung XE303C Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. For starters, it is recommended that you use an anti-static mat to avoid electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. You will need a small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver. A pair of tweezers may come in handy for manipulating small parts. A spudger will also be useful for this replacement. You can use metal or plastic, whichever you prefer. First, you want to remove the 5 visible bottom cover screws. You will also need to remove the 4 screws from underneath the 4 rubber feet. The tweezers may be useful in removing the feet, as they are sticky with adhesive. Once all the screws are removed, you want to use your spudger to carefully pry the bottom cover apart from the keyboard assembly. As you go around the perimeter of the case, it should become loose and easy to remove. Next, you will disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Next, you want to remove the 6 battery screws. You can now remove the battery. The first step in installing your replacement battery will be to put the battery into place and replace the 6 battery screws. Next, you will reconnect the battery cable into the motherboard. You can now reattach the bottom cover to the keyboard assembly by going around the perimeter and snapping it into place. The final step will be to replace the 9 bottom cover screws and the 4 rubber feet. You have now successfully replaced the battery in your Samsung Chromebook. Good job!